Experience big screen entertainment anytime, anywhere with the 8849 Mars mini projector. Compact, powerful and ready to impress. Whether it's movies, meetings or gaming, this pocket-sized projector transforms any wall into your personal theater. So let's check it out. Today I'm going to present the 8849 Mars Mini HD projector. It is a compact and portable device designed for users seeking a straightforward projection solution without the complexities of built-in smart features. In the box, we get the small Mars Mini projector, which looks pretty small. Literally, you can just throw in a small bag and travel with it. And there is one magnetic ring and one magnetic stand. And there's also a small Type-C to Type-C cable for connecting the projector with video devices like a phone, tablet or laptop. There's even a Type-C to Lightning connector for iPhone users. All of these items come well packed inside this projector box. There are some key features I would like to mention. It delivers a native resolution of 1280 by 720 HD with a brightness of 100 lumens, which is not suitable for brightness light, but it's definitely suitable for viewing in dark environments. It equipped with laser autofocus technology to ensure sharp image clarity without manual adjustment. The best feature is in this device is easily connects to smartphones, tablets, laptops via a data cable. Even I tried my all devices. I tried my MacBook, iPhone, Android smartphone, Android tablet and even iPad, and it works with all devices easily. If you are going to purchase this device, you need to remember that this device does not have the internal battery. So drawing power directly from the connecting device, and still you need to use the power supply because it needs the power to turn on. Well, I used my power bank and it works completely fine with my power bank. So if you are traveling and you don't have the power supply, then you can just use the power bank and it works completely fine. You can put in your pocket or your back pocket. The build quality is also very top-notch. It features a sleek dark gray full metal shell, combining durability with a lightweight design for easy transport. Well, you need to consider that the brightness limitation with 100 lumens, it's best suited for dark environment. The second is lack of wireless features. Absence of Wi-Fi or Bluetooth depends on an external power source may restrict its placement option during use. Well, this is the time to tell you the price availability of this device. The 8849 Mars Mini HD projector is currently available for $179. For more details or to place an order, you can visit the official link which I have put in the description. You can just visit the website and learn more about this device. And thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye.